Good morning, students. Day 9 welcomes to Lord's group of schools. So, pair of linear equation. What problem? In a garden, there are some bees and flowers. If one bee sit on each flower, one bee will be left. If two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left. Find the number of bees and flowers through graphically or general. Now, I'll explain the general, how to solve the equations. Now here given things are, in a garden, bees and flowers are present. How many bees are there? How many flowers are there? You don't know. That time you have to take, let number of bees x, number of flowers y. So these two things you need. Here conditions are mentioned in a problem. If one bee sit on each flower, means on each flower one bee only sitting, then one bee will be left. Means on each flower one bee will be left. Means in this case, flower is one is less. So now we have to write condition. If one bee sits on each flower, then one bee will be left. This is the first condition of this problem. Means here bees are more. That's why one bee will be left. Means number of bees is equal to number of flowers. In this case, on each flower, one bee is sitting. 1 into number of flowers plus one bee will be left. Plus 1 you have to take in. Now here number of bees be x, 1 into number of flowers be y plus 1. Means on each flower one bee sitting, that time one bee will be left. This total gives to the number of bees only. Number of bees only. Now, x is equal to y plus 1. Equation 1. Equation 1. Next here, second condition. If two bees sit on each flower, one flower will be left. In this case, if two bees sitting on each flower, that one flower is left. Means here bees are less. Bees are less. Here one flower is left. Means on each flower in this case two bees are sitting. One flower is left means two bees are less. Now in this case, if two bees sitting, if two bees sit on each flower, then one flower will be left. Means number of bees is equal to, here on each flower how many bees sitting? 2. 2 into number of flowers. Here one flower is missing. One flower will be left. Means here that flower is left means here 2 bees are less. Less means minus 2 bees. Because in this case on each flower 2 bees sitting. That's why flower will be left. 2 bees are less. That's why flower will be left. Flower will be left means bees are 2 less. Now bees is x. 2 into flower will be y minus 2. Now this is the second equation. Now you have to observe first equation and the second equation. Both LHS are equal. Both LHS are equal. Therefore, RHS also equal. Now you have to write from 1 and 2. 1 and 2. First equation is y plus 1. Your second equation RHS is 2y minus 2. Now y has to, is how to write plus 2y translate here minus 2y. Minus 2 has to is plus 1 when you transfer to this side minus 1. 1y minus 2y, you'll get minus y. Minus 2 minus 1, minus 3. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 3. So y value complete. This y value you have to substitute in equation 1 or 2. Now y value substitute in equation 1. Now x is equal to y plus 1. X is equal to y value 3 plus 1. X is equal to 4. Means x value 4, y value 3. Means x means represented the number of bees. Bees are 4, flowers are 3. Therefore, number of bees 4, number of flowers 3. Number of flowers 3. So, this is the model. Means here 3 flowers are there, 4 bees are present. In this case, if 1 bee sit on each flower, 1 bee will be left. If 2 bees sit on each flower, 1 flower will be left. This is the based on condition. You have to prepare the linear equation pair of 2 variables. Pair of linear equation, when you solving, you get the proper values. Next comes to the same. A second question, the perimeter of rectangle is 32 meters. If length is increased by 2 meter, breadth is decreased by 1 meter, then area of the plot remains the same. Find the length and breadth means here one rectangular, that whatever may be garden or park, what is one rectangular shape is there. This is rectangular shape. This rectangular perimeter is 32 meter is mentioned. In this case, first of all, you have to take let length is equal to x meters, breadth is equal to y meters. These two things you have to take it. After that, the perimeter of rectangle 32 we mentioned. Here what is mentioned? Length is x, breadth is y. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 32 meters. So actually what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? That formula I have to write 2 of L plus B is equal to 32. Now 2 of place of L x, place of B y is equal to 32. Now this side 2 is multiple term. When you transfer to this side division, x plus y is equal to 32 by 2, 16. X plus y is equal to 16. This is the first equation. Complete. Next, what is saying? If length is increased by 2 meter, what is the actual figure? In this figure, length will be 2 meters increased. If length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is decreased by 1 meter. Means here what is the figure? That figure actually length is x is there. This is the figure. So this length is 2 meters increase. In the previous figure length is x. Increase means plus. How much increase? 2. X plus 2 meters. Breadth actually in previous figure y. In this case decrease means minus y minus 1 meter. In these two figures, previous figure after changing length and breadth, these two figures has the same area. Means what is the area of this figure is equal to area of this figure. Both figures are areas are equal. Now area of previous figure is equal to area of second figure. Both are equal. Now here area of figure, length into breadth, x into y. Here area of second figure, length into breadth, because rectangle shape only. Length is x plus 2, breadth is y minus 1. X plus 2 into y minus 1. Now x into y, xy is equal to x into y multiplied with y, xy. This x is multiplied with minus 1, minus x. 2 multiplied with y plus 2y. 2 multiplied with minus 1, minus 2. Both sides xy will be cancelled. This side plus xy minus x, when you transfer to this side plus x, plus 2y transfer to this side minus 2y is equal to minus 2 is left. This is equation 2. Now you got two equations. When you solving these two equations, you get the proper values. Now solve 1 and 2. First equation, x plus y is equal to 16. Second equation, x minus 2y is equal to minus 2. If you want to two linear equation solving means, you have to observe two equations. So coefficients of variables are equal required. First you have to observe coefficient of x, here coefficient of x, both are equal. These two are equal, no need any multiplication. This is sufficient. After that, you have to just change, both are same symbol, change the symbol minus. Minus is there plus, minus is there plus. The term plus x minus x will be cancelled. Plus 1y plus 2y, 3y is equal to 16 plus 2, 18. Y is equal to 18 by 3. 3 1s are 3 6s are. Y value 6 equal. After completion of y value, this y value substitute in equation 1 or 2, your wish. Now y value substitute in equation 1. So for x plus y is equal to 16. Here x as it is, place of y, you have to write 6 is equal to 16. Now here what is left? X is left, 16. Comes to the side minus 6, x is equal to 10. Here x is represented with length. Therefore, length is equal to 10 meters, breadth is equal to 6 meters. Like that, finding. The same question, graphically representation also asking. That time in a table and we draw the graphs. Now this is the general method finding. Next comes to the same model, rectangular problem only. One more question. Next to, in 4.16 problem, of the perimeter of rectangle is 36 meter. If the length is 4 meters more than the its width, find the length and the breadth. Here totally this problem based on the rectangle only. Now answer. So you draw one rectangular figure. Of the perimeter of rectangle is 36 meter, is said. Means first of all what you taken in this figure, you have to write here perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Formula is 2 of L plus B. But here given question of the perimeter of rectangle. How much? 36 meters given. Of the perimeter of rectangle 36 meter given, and one more condition in this problem. If length is 4 meters more than its width, means this length is depends upon the width. If you find width, then you will get the length. That's why both are not given, but condition is given. In this case, let you have to take, let breadth is equal to nothing but width. Breadth is equal to x meters. In this case, length is equal to, what is the breadth? 4 meter more than the width only length. That's why x more means plus 4. length is this one. Length you know that, breadth you know that. Breadth is x, length is x plus 4. Next in a problem, of the perimeter of rectangle, of means 1 by 2. Perimeter of rectangle means 2 of L plus B is equal to 36. 2 will be cancelled. Next what you get? Here length given. What is x plus 4? Breadth x is equal to 36. Now comes to x plus x. 2x plus 4 is equal to 36. 2x is equal to 36 minus 4. Plus 4 when you transfer to this side, minus. 2x is equal to 32. Subtraction. X is equal to 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2 16s are. X is equal to 16. X what representation? Breadth. Therefore, breadth of rectangle is 16 meters. Length is equal to 16 plus 4. Why? Because length means you took here x plus 4. Place of x, what you got? That value plus 4. So you'll get the 20 meters. This is the length and breadth dimension finding. Next comes to, in a previous flowers and bees model problem. Your length what is x plus 4 is there. Breadth is x meters. These two must and should have write in figure. Next comes to, in a class of 3 students. In a class of 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. If 4 students sit on each bench, 1 bench will be left. Find the number of benches and students. Means in previous problem, bees and flowers, the same model problem only. Here bench is constant, students only sitting places will be changes. Now, first of all, in this problem, students and benches, two things. The two things you have to take. Let number of benches x, number of students y. This two compulsory. After that, what is the first condition of this problem? If 3 students sit on each bench, if 3 students sit on each bench, 1 student will be left. Will be left. Means what is the meaning? If on each bench 3 students are sitting, that time 1 student is left. Means in this case students are more. 1 member more. Means number of students is equal to here how many students are sitting? 3. Where? Bench. So into number of benches. Here 1 student more. 1 student will be left. So left means plus students only left na 1. 1 student left. Number of students represent with y. 3 into number of benches is x plus 1. Y is equal to 3x plus 1. This is the first equation. Next comes to second condition. If 4 students are sit on each bench, students sit on each bench. In this case, 1 bench will be left. Bench will be left. So number of students is equal to in this case 4 students are sitting on each bench, means 4 into number of benches here 1 bench will be left, means in this case in each bench 4 students are sitting. Means one bench is left, means number of students are minus 4. 4 members are not there, that's why bench is left. Not there means that are less. Less means minus. One bench means 4 students, that's why minus 4. Number of students represent with y, 4. Number of benches represent with x, minus 4. This is the second equation. Now you have to observe that first equation and second equation from 1 and 2. In 2 equation you have to observe LHS are both are same only, here y only. That time RHS parts you have to equal. 3x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. Now 3x place same place, plus 4x transfer here minus 4x, plus 1 transfer to this side minus 4, and plus 1 transfer this side minus 1. 3x minus 4x, one positive one negative subtraction, minus x, minus 4 minus 1 minus 5, both side minus minus will be cancelled, x is equal to 5. So x value completed. After completion of the x, this x value substitute in equation 1 or 2. X value substitute in equation 1. Now y is equal to 3 into place of x 5 plus 1. 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. So here number of benches is 5. Number of benches 5. Number of students 16. See one thing, you have to, what you get that result correct or not, just you check it. 5 benches are there, 5. On each bench, first according to first condition, 3 students are sitting. 3 students are sitting. Total 5 3s are 15 members. That time one student will be left. Out of 16, 15 completed. One student is left. That one is said here. In case, in our each bench, 4 students are sitting. 4 students are sitting. Up to here only 16 members completed. Here only 16 members completed. That time one bench will be left. So condition is satisfied. Next comes to any one linear equation is given. If asking, prepare the consistent line. Single equation is given. For example, 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0. How many questions are possible for this question? For example, single equation is given. This is linear equation, 2 variables. How many solutions are there means? So only single equation, that time this is containing many solutions. Infinity many solutions. Clear? What is my questions? 3 questions here I am raising. You have to write one more equation. You have to prepare one more equation. That equation is intersecting with this one. Means you want intersecting. Use this equation. You have to prepare one more equation. That equation must and should intersect with this one. That time very simple. What is the given equation? X and y coefficients you have to interchange the places. Comes to 2 plus 3x plus 2y minus your wish you write any one constant. This is intersecting with this line. If you want to parallel, that time what is the given linear equation? In this equation, first x and y coefficient both are multiplied one particular number that your wish. Now we'll selecting 3. 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y minus, I will change this one, 7 is equal to 0. You have to multiply with that number only x and y coefficient only. that time only that line is parallel to this line. Next, if you want to dependent means here what is the equation, given equation? Each and every term, three terms are multiplied with one particular number. Here only two terms only multiplied particular number. Third term you have to change it. In this case, if you want to dependent line, three terms multiplied with one particular number. Now we'll take 2. 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y, 2 8s are 16 is equal to 0. If only single equation is given, if you want to intersect, just I change the coefficient of x and y. After that, if you want to parallel line, here x and y, these two coefficients only have to multiply one particular number. That number ever wish, you take any number. I took here 3. Next, if you want to dependent line of this line means here three terms are multiplied with the same number only. One particular number. I selected here 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. Now you have to observe, when you are observing these two are intersecting. How we know these two are intersecting? So A1 by A2, B1 by B2. 2 by 3, 3 by 2, both are not equal. That is condition for intersecting. Next comes to this two, you have to observe. 2 by 6, 3 by 9. 2 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 3. 3 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 3. Both are equal, but this third ratio is not equal. Parallel line. So if any one equation is given, if you want to prepare linear equation, intersect with this line means just these two coefficients are changing. If you want to parallel line to this one means these two terms multiplied with one particular number, you have to change this one. Dependent means these three terms are multiplied with one particular number. This is the model questions.